Welcome to our full factory documentary. Today, we will explore the complete bus manufacturing process inside a modern factory. From raw steel to a fully finished luxury bus, you will see every step in detail. This is a long, relaxing, educational factory journey. Let's begin. Large trucks arrive at the factory. They carry steel sheets, steel pipes, aluminum panels, glass sheets, rubber parts, engines, and electrical components. Workers carefully unload the materials using forklifts and cranes. All materials are checked for quality before entering production. The bus body starts with strong steel. Large steel pipes and sheets are placed into CNC cutting machines. Computer-controlled machines cut the steel into exact sizes. Every piece must be accurate for perfect assembly. The chassis is the backbone of the bus. Heavy-duty steel beams are welded together. Robotic welding machines ensure strong and clean joints. The chassis is checked for strength and alignment. Workers assemble the vertical and horizontal frame structure. Side pillars, roof supports, and floor supports are connected. The skeleton of the bus begins to take shape. This structure gives safety and durability. A strong metal base is added on top of the chassis. Anti-rust coating is sprayed to prevent corrosion. Insulation material is added for sound and heat control. Now the base floor is ready. The engine arrives from the engine department. It is carefully lifted and placed into position. Modern buses may use diesel engines or electric motors. The engine is fixed and connected to the transmission system. Heavy-duty suspension systems are installed. Shock absorbers and air suspension units are added. This ensures a smooth ride for passengers. Front and rear axles are attached. Large bus wheels and tires are installed. The braking system is also connected. Safety is very important. Aluminum and steel body panels are attached to the frame. Robotic arms help in precise fitting. Panels are welded and sealed properly. The bus body now looks complete. The roof frame is completed. Emergency exit openings are added. Air conditioning duct space is prepared. Automatic passenger doors are installed. Hydraulic or pneumatic systems are connected. Doors are tested multiple times. Large tempered glass windows are carefully placed. Rubber seals ensure no water leakage. Each window is inspected for safety. Workers install kilometers of electrical wiring. Lighting systems, dashboard wiring, and control panels are connected. Modern buses include GPS, cameras, and digital displays. The driver's seat, steering wheel, dashboard, and control system are installed. Advanced instrument panels are added. Everything is tested for proper function. Soundproof and heat insulation materials are added. This improves passenger comfort. Passenger seats are fixed to the floor. Luxury buses include reclining seats and USB charging ports. Seat belts are installed for safety. The AC unit is mounted on the roof or rear. Cooling ducts run throughout the bus. The system is tested for airflow. The bus body is cleaned and polished. Surface sanding ensures smooth paint finish. Primer coating is applied. The bus enters a large paint booth. Robotic arms spray high-quality automotive paint. Multiple layers are applied. The bus is dried in a heating chamber. Company logos and design stickers are applied. Custom designs are added. The bus now looks attractive and professional. All systems are checked. Lights, doors, engine, brakes, and electronics are tested. Quality inspectors carefully examine everything. The bus enters a water testing chamber. High-pressure water sprays from all sides. This checks for leaks. The bus is driven on a test track. Engine performance, braking, and suspension are tested. Engineers monitor performance data. The bus is washed and polished. Interior is vacuum cleaned. Final shine is applied. The finished bus is ready. It is shipped to transport companies or schools. From raw steel to a complete bus, the journey is finished. Thank you for watching this complete bus manufacturing process documentary. If you enjoyed this factory tour, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing manufacturing videos. See you in the next factory journey.